guys, let me show you the pork. So let me check. Yay! Look at that, guys. It's cookie, it's tender. Let me get some cooker. Cooker. Yeah, see? Ooh, it's ready. So I'm gonna turn off now. Yes. I'm gonna take it out. Oh my god, it's kinda heavy, guys. You got it, was oh no, destroyed the form of the thing, the pork, the fat. Tender. So look at that. Ooh, there you are. I got it. It needs to be air dry to dry, come out all the liquid, like the water from boiling. So yeah, it's very tender, guy. See, I can poke the holes like that. Very tender. So this is gonna go to the oil as soon as the pork is dry and ready to cook. Because otherwise, if I'm gonna fry this pork like this, oh my god, it's gonna be a loud bam, bam, bang, and I'm gonna run off. So so good smell. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry, air dry here in the counter until it's ready. Maybe I should, you see when I put the pork in it, the tongue, it will, there's water coming out, so I'm probably gonna better to let it dry here, something like that, so it won't. See? Ooh. Oops, out of balance now. See how tender that is. Oh my god, yummy. So it's, what happened here? It's out balance. Okay, so I want that water drip out down, so that way it will get dry. Okay. Hi guys. Today I'm going to cook. This is the next day. So I refrigerated the liempo pork belly overnight. So now I'm going to cook it. So I'm going to slice this 4 times. So okay, it's gonna be crispy. I hope. Okay, so I'm going to cook. So I'm gonna sprinkle salt. Okay. All right, so let's go fry it. We're cooking now the limpo outside, the pork belly. So it's outside is better. So it's safe. Away from the house because I have this 1 gallon of oil. No, just kidding. I'm not gonna put this, all of it. So it's reheating. Now I'm gonna put the oil. I'm using peanut oil. So just that. Oil test, oil test. Make sure the oil is ready. I don't have to look there because I'm gonna run off. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
And you guys. So it's deep fry right now. That's it. Okay, so really crispy. Ooh, I can smell.
This one good too?
Yeah, I'm just gonna make a sauce quick. I have half a cup onions chopped and jalapeno pepper, spicy, and 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Soy. Or about half a cup of soy. Just simple sauce. And then I'm gonna add vinegar. That's 1/4 cup. So we have pakbit, bagoong, Yan yung Lechon Kawali. And this is the sweet and sour sauce. And vinegar with onions and garlic and pepper. And then we have vegetables. So it's pickled cucumber. And we have my favorite sangria. So let's eat, guys. Hope you like our little video. Please give us likes, thumbs up, and share and subscribe.
Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified of any new videos we post. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a blessed day.